the concern today, and I know you mentioned especially the afternoon commute.
Oh my goodness.
Wind and rain chances.
And you don't want to have the storms kind of blowing through when people are stuck in traffic and unable to drive away.
And very difficult to see because of these, heavy rainfall amounts, which rain is a great thing. We're excited for the rain. But y'all, the main concern is truly the wind.
Okay.
Y'all been talking about some fires that we had over in Warren County.
Yeah, hopefully this will help douse that because I know they've got the National Guard potentially coming in today to help with that. So Nikki-Dee, we need this rain, but sometimes we don't want the storms that come with it.
And on a lighter note, we're going to lose all our leaves.
Yeah. That's true. Yeah, the leaves are going to lose a little bit of their fall outfits. But you know what? We are going to be dealing with the threat for some strong, severe storms. Let's just break it down because there's a lot of ground to cover, but it really can be encompassed in a few words. We are going to have wind being an issue ahead and within the storm system itself. So just kind of think of today as a skirt alert. As we head throughout the day, because of the dry conditions we have and the wind that will be on the increase, our fire danger threat will also be going up. The timing for the actual rain and thunderstorms to take place, that's going to be associated with our cold front. That will be from noon off to the far west going into 9 o'clock this evening, and everything wraps up and moves its way on out. So as far as an overnight system, that is not the case whatsoever. Current temperatures, though, are warm. We are in the mid-60s in the city, upper 60s in parts of Hopkinsville. Here is our cold front. It is just off to our west. The closer it gets, the higher our wind speeds will be. So right now we've got some movement, but we're really going to notice things soaring as we go throughout the next bit. You'll notice over in Paducah, your winds currently gusting at 22 miles per hour, 25 in Memphis. This is during the dark, during the overnight hours. Once the sun comes up, that just adds some more instability, and that causes our winds to increase in the way of speed. Temperatures, though, it's almost hot out there. 50s and 60s to start the morning. As we head throughout the next several hours, winds are going to gain some speed. Now remember, we talk a lot about sustained winds. It's that cruise control wind. It's basically going to be around 15 to 25 miles an hour. And then you're going to get this burst of energy of some gusty winds. So will it be 40 miles per hour the entire time? Absolutely not. Will that 40 mile per hour wind gust sneak up on you? Oh yeah, because they will be with us as we go throughout the afternoon and early evening hours. Once that exits, winds will then shift back out of our north. So because of the intense winds today, we do have a wind advisory that will be with the bulk of us throughout the day. Wind, main concern ahead of the system and within it. I will say that until I am blue in the face. When it comes to our severe storm risk, you'll notice everybody's under something, whether it's a 1 or a 2. Don't get too caught up in your number. All I want you to know is that the timing of this is very important as far as our instability and our issues. Noon to 2 o'clock, areas to the west. 2 to 6 o'clock up along I-65, across the plateau 5 to 9. As it moves across the plateau, it will slightly decrease in strength. However, I cannot rule out a few strong to severe storms. Wind is going to be everywhere. If you have some decor, make sure it's in a nice and upright position, or you might be visiting your neighbors. Your 7-day forecast, we're going to get through the day with a severe first alert weather, and then as we head around into tomorrow, 63 will be near 70 Thursday as well as Friday in those 70s. Then an unsettled pattern will be with us heading throughout the weekend. It will not rain the entire time. You can still go get your candy, but we are looking for some rain chances, which will totally be a treat.